Hello, it's Jessica Fox with your Pinellas and Pasco County update. If you look at the real estate market, much has changed since the extreme interest rate hike at the end of March. We're going to see the massive uptick in listings in really every price point. So right now we're looking for the 200 to 500 price point, an uptick in for sales of nearly 50%. With a downtick of under contract, meaning things are going under contract, of 8. So it's really like a 58% swing in really just a 6-month period. And if you really look at when that happened, that was when interest rates really took a major bump. So the majority of that increase has been in the recent months. We're also seeing solds go down 10%. Now, if we bump up to the next price point, we see an even bigger shift of 76%. And if we move into luxury over $1 million, that again is 58% and 17. So we're really seeing under contracts, deals fall apart, things like that right here. Things aren't going under contract like they were. So speed is really slowing down at the luxury end, but the middle and the bottom of the market are also having inventory stack up. So there's a lot of different markets at the moment. Please read below 5 or 6 strategies I have. I want to share those with you so that you take action in the opportunity ahead of you. In the market ahead, there's so much opportunity, but you just need to pivot to where the opportunity lies. There are so many folks that didn't buy their forever house. They bought the house they could get in the last market. Think about reaching back out and asking them if they want to start shopping again, because they're going to have a lot more choice in the market ahead. There's always good to find in the market, so go chase after it, because those of you that move quickly are going to have the most success. Good luck with these strategies and reach out if you need anything. Jessica Fox, signing off.